So early on in life, I discovered actually what I was wired to do in life. Okay, I was, I think, should have been maybe 7 or 8 years old when I started liking things of electronics in nature. So when I was in school, I used to fix wristwatches for my teachers here and there. Okay, I would dismantle stuff, fail to put them back. My own stuff, actually, I would dismantle my own stuff and fail to put them back, but I would fix wristwatches successfully. So most of my teachers knew actually what I was meant to be, but they never told me. Okay, so many years have gone by and I've done a lot of work in electronics. I've gained a lot of experience in electronics. I've fixed a lot of things. I've manufactured a lot of stuff here and there. I've learned a lot of things. Actually, amongst the other things that I've learned was sound engineering, and I've also learned how to make speakers, how to actually manufacture sound boxes. I've also learned how to engineer sound, okay, how to measure articulately, how to test components, how to actually fix things, okay, how to fix power supplies, how to identify faults, how to know exactly what to do when ABCD happens in an electronic component. I've actually done electrical and electronics engineering. I've done electrical wiring in homes. I've done electrical wirings in shops. I've done electronics at a level that is so unprecedented that, right now as I am talking, I have decided to share all the knowledge that I've gained in electronics engineering for all the time that I've been a technician. I've learned quite a number of things in electronics engineering: how to actually measure resistance, how to test, how to read resistance, how to test electronic components like diodes, ICs, resistors, transistors, how to measure and test capacitors, how to measure and test fuses, how to know why a certain problem keeps occurring. So right now, I created a YouTube channel, but never mind what is there. But I've decided to actually dedicate this YouTube channel to offloading all the knowledge that I've gained in electronics engineering for all the years that I've been an electronics technician and engineer. So if you want to learn, okay, electronics engineering, if you want to understand electronics engineering at a personal capacity and level, you need to actually subscribe to this YouTube channel, as I am going to offload loads and loads of knowledge, loads and of experience, the experience that I've gained in the more than 30 years that I've been an electronics engineer. I'm going to offload in this channel. So all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, like and share the video so that we can reach as many people as possible. As you know, as you are aware, electronics is actually the most trending thing at the moment, and it's evolving at a faster and most rapid level that if you stay behind, okay, if you lag behind in knowledge, in learning new skills, new tactics, you actually not cope up with what you have to deal with in the future. So once again, I'm coming to you, okay, you have to subscribe to this channel. We'll actually deal with electronics at a depth like never before, okay, on a level that is beyond anybody's thinking. Okay, we will deal with electronics in details. Okay, I'll not only talk to you, I will not only tell you what this does, but I will show you exactly as I fix any item. Okay, we'll talk about technology, okay, the technology that has actually since been erased from the electronics map, okay, technology of the past, okay, and what this technology has actually done to actually birth this technology that we have right now, okay, we are in the digital world, but we were in the analog world. I will show you from that perspective what really used to happen. I will show you exactly with the gadgets that we used to use then, okay, for you to really understand and get a grasp of what I'm talking about. Electronics engineering is actually a vast subject, okay. I've learned in the same vein computer science, okay, computer electronics, computer engineering, okay. I started with fixing wristwatches, mind you. Wristwatches, I fixed wristwatches. I became interested in radios, I became interested in TVs, I became interested in amplifiers, in mixers, in crossovers, in speakers, sound, in anything that actually does wonders, okay? I became interested in microwaves. I also teach you what a microwave does and what it contains in its entirety, and the dangers of actually handling a microwave, and how you need to handle a microwave, how you need to handle power supplies of TVs, of radios, of VCR, of DVD players, or of anything that you can think of. I'm going to show you, okay, the dangers. I'm going to show you the advantages, the disadvantages of having a particular type or kind of technology in your home. Who am I, you ask? Does it matter? I don't think so. But hey, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. This will be specifically and purely electronics. We'll deal with computer science. We'll deal with electrical and electronics engineer. I will start from the scratch to teach you, to show you knowledge, okay? And what I ask of you is whatever you do not understand in electronics, I'll show you how to measure components, okay? I'll show you how to read the resistor color code. I'll show you how to measure components like diodes. Any component that you can think of that can be measured in electronics, I'm going to show you in detail, and I'll show you in as I do my work, as I do my job in my workshop. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know for you to actually understand and be able to make electronics engineering your career, to make computer engineering your career. These things are actually cool, okay, but you need to learn them. You need to learn the skill. You need to master the skill. I've mastered the skill of electronics engineering for years and years. I can say I am an expert. Okay, I understand electronics like I understand the palm of my hand, okay? Whatever your question you can ask me in electronics engineering, okay? I'll be able to tell you if you have a fault on your TV, on your radio, on your speaker, on whatever that it is that you want to fix. I'll be able to tell you exactly what you need to do, even by just you explaining or telling me what the problem is. Okay, I've reached that level of advancement in electronics engineering because I've been doing it for a very long time. And hey, it's an interesting subject, interesting topic, as it advances every day. And everything that you see around, everything has got electronics in it. Anything that you can think of. I mean anything and everything that you can think of. Even a human being is an electrical component, okay? So hey, once again, don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video so that we reach as many people as possible with this massive knowledge that I've gained over a very long period of time. I'm going to give it to you free of charge. I want you to learn. I want you to understand. I want you to learn. I want you to understand. I want you to implement the knowledge. And I want you to earn with the same knowledge that I'm going to give you. Because I am earning with the same knowledge that I'm going to give you free of charge. So once again, do likewise. And let's embark on this journey together. Thank you so very much.